Hello there. This is a single page that client want me to redesign. He tried to build something, but as you can see, this is a very unprofessional and a raw design. But client want me to make it professional, like I did for the home page and for the entire website. I'm gonna rebuild this page in front of you, and I will show you how I can make this polish. And okay, so yeah, this is built on Wix. Wix is very easy tool that we can use to build websites. Let's try to redesign this page, and yeah, keeping all the original data. uh, we will do that. Here is the editor I open on Wix. So I build this. You see, this is a section that client try to make the hero section like other pages of the website. Like if you go to this is a hero section. Everywhere I set up a main section. Here it's a section. Here is the hero section, and we should keep the original feel. I will keep mine, and all the content you see is a rounded shape, all those corners and everywhere. So we will also keep in mind that everything is rounded shape. So when we are trying to place a section, we also have to use the strip. Strip is the container. So those who don't know the web design or development must have to understand, if you take a div, you always take a container inside, column inside, another div inside. So yeah, this is a section we take, like client take, like clicking on a section, it opens to a new section, but it's okay. But when you take a section, you have to take a strip, because everything we will do on the strip, not on the section. I take a new section, new strip. We can rename this. If we need to scroll, we set to scroll, then we'll have to rename, but normally we don't need. But I'm renaming hero section. It's a hero section. For this page, we are not gonna set any scrolling menu, but yeah, I am placing this. Okay, now as I get this section and a strip container, I'll change the background. If the images was not available, then we'll explore for the Wix image, Shutterstock. In this case, I'm not going to the Shutterstock or Wix image. I'm using the image that we already have. So yeah, I'm going to use this image. Okay, I will reduce a little bit of opacity, and that will be a mark of 80%, and the color combination is a black color. So yeah, and now I will drag this to attach strip. Now this text is not well readable, so I will make it reduce to 60% like this. I'll make it a bit bigger. Head is cutting out. So this is a problem when we don't have a proper image. So we have to, maybe we can use a different image in this case, because the head is cutting. Maybe we can use this, 60% of this. Yeah. Now I'll make this section similar to the first one, so that it feels like I'm on the second section. It's related to the title, so I am attaching this text with the title. This is how it matters for a new user come to the website and feels like, oh, the readability is not good enough. So yeah, I also think about that. So yeah, we are done with this. It's fine. Now I'll delete this one also. I will take a container here. I'll make the gap placement of the container should be like this. Change the background. It should not be white, it should be FA. Okay, so I changed this title a little bit, and maybe the size, it should be H2 because it's a title, but it should not be 50. But I will check when I design a single page. I will have to check other pages, what is the title size. The size matters, because we have to match the size with other titles of the website. So yeah, also the color also. So it's 50, and the color is this one. Okay, and what about this? This is 18. Color is this one. Okay, so yeah, I'll have to make it, so 50 is fine, right? And the color maybe is also good. I have to check it. Yeah, good, all good. The padding on the top should be matched. The bottom padding should be matched with the top one. Yeah, I'm placing this with 18 because yeah, it should be 18. Now this is a paragraph and it's a line, extra line. I will make it highlight. How I can highlight it? I'll cut it. I'll place the cutting text with a version of heading 3 maybe. I will adjust the I'll adjust the size. Maybe is4 is good, but it's not good. It's because I just want to highlight this. We can make it slightly highlight because there is a call to action. It's coming up. Here is a button. It's a call to action. We'll have to make a focus area and also a call to action button. This button is not matching with the other buttons of the website, like this one. This one will make it similar like that. There are no default theme design or button design available, so I will make the design similar to the top one. For that I will make it resize, but before I do that I will have to match the other button style. So what I'll do is I will copy this to make it faster, and I'll save the client's budget to make it faster and save the client budget. I always do that because if I try to make it exactly what it is, I'll have to re-edit and re-edit and keep editing, so that's not good, right? I'll keep the link, section anchor, this page and this one I link, and now I'll take this text to this one. Okay, it's all good. Yeah, now we'll delete this and I'll centerize this, and compared to this section, much better, right? Adjust the size. Yeah, all good. Now for this one, yeah, client take a container inside the section, but the placement of this one and this one is not looking good. So what I will do is first of all I will make it for a single page. For the SEO region, the heading on H1 cannot be multiple time, so it should be H2 that can be multiple time. When Google search read your content, the H1 is the first priority and the H2 is the second priority. Okay, I will make it a bit bigger because of the readability. Okay, section is all good. Now this section strip comes to here, and I'll make sure no background within the strip. I'll make this strip in 3 column. Within this 3 column I will make 3 different steps. So step 1, step 2, step 3. So what I'll do is I will take icons. Icons means maybe simple icons, 1, 2, 3 or something like that. So icons, number, yeah, number. But what I'm going to do is maybe box, circle, text here, a text with a number. Okay, it's all good. Now it's looking good. So it's the number 1, it's on number 1. And now we will place the step 1. I will remove this step 1 because we're already making it numbers, so it will be a title. We'll resize it. Yeah, it's looking, yeah, good. So it's the title. And now now this one, a bit of space issue. Should I adjust the height, the line height? Maybe I feel like that. Line height, automatic. No, automatic, but we'll increase this to not to 4. Yeah, 4. So to reduce the gap, we will use a box. This box design should be something like this, shadow. Yeah, shadow is all good, but not too much shadow, so I will have to reduce. Maybe reduce to this one also. Oh, it's still heating. Heating means it's still too much shadow, so I will make it 15. Also I make to 40. Yeah, it's not hitting. The first priority is the readability when you are designing something. Now it's covering. It's covering, but let's see. It's covering the gap. I'll make a more, you know, I will adjust the gap also. So I'll copy this, but this text having a style, you know, already having a style, but this text is different style. When you paste it, it cannot take your style because it already having a style. So what I'll do is I'll place this text to a blank area, and now I will copy it again and will paste it here, and it will take this design style. Yeah, like this. So it's because it's a blank text, no style included, and that's why it's taking this design style. Now same thing for this. It's getting big because of the text length, or maybe if yeah, you can adjust like this. It's good now. So I'm copying this again, just make it 3. Now I will adjust the gap. Within the page it will not look good, within the skin it will not look good. What I'll do is I'll margin it on 100. Good. What do you think? Is looking good? Just a second. There, I'll make sure there are no background. I'll paste it, I'll adjust it, I'll centerize this, and the heading 2 is taking clearly. Now I'll adjust the gap. Now it's looking good. The section is look good instead of this. This is how I do the design, you know. So if client feedback on this, it's not looking good or something, then I will make a different design, but till now I'm good with this.